Imagine waking up and checking sales from your own online business, not someone else's. Thousands of people in their 20s are already doing this, no fancy degree or big loan required. Your 20s are the best time to experiment, try, and even fail without major consequences. The cost to start online is low, sometimes zero, thanks to free tools and platforms. You grew up with the internet, use that to your advantage. The old path of climbing the corporate ladder isn't the only way anymore. Building your own thing online gives you freedom and control. It's not about getting rich quick, but building a life on your terms. You can create assets that earn money while you sleep or travel. The first step is simply to start. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Break the process into small, manageable steps. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to go from idea to launched business. Let's get started. Here are 4 beginner-friendly ways to make your first dollar online. Freelancing. Sell a skill you already have. Writing, design, editing on sites like Upwork or Fiverr. You get paid quickly and build confidence for bigger projects. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale through your link. Start a blog or YouTube channel, share honest reviews, and include affiliate links. Dropshipping. Open an online store. Sell products you don't stock and let suppliers ship directly to customers. No inventory, low risk. Digital products. Create something once, like an ebook or course, and sell it over and over. Nearly all profit, and it runs while you sleep. Pick one model and focus. Don't try to do everything at once. Each path can be your launch pad. Ready to launch? Start by picking a niche, something you enjoy and others will pay for. Don't go broad. Focus on a specific audience or problem. Make a list of your interests and skills, then find where they overlap with market demand. Next, choose a name and buy a domain. Keep it short and memorable. Build your website using simple tools like Card, Gumroad, or WordPress. No coding needed. Create your offer. A portfolio for freelancing, a digital product, or a service page. Use free tools, Google Docs, Canva, your phone, to make your first product. Don't aim for perfect, aim for done. Launch by publishing your site and sharing it on your social media. Don't get stuck tweaking forever. Real progress starts when you go live. Your business begins the moment a real customer can interact with it. Every step is a learning opportunity. The sooner you launch, the sooner you learn. Keep it simple and take action. You're building momentum. Your business is live. Now you need customers. Start with social media where your audience already hangs out. Pick 1 or 2 platforms: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or LinkedIn, based on your niche. Don't just sell. Share valuable tips, tutorials, or entertaining content. Build trust by giving away helpful info for free. When people are ready to buy, they'll think of you. Once you have some traction, try small paid ads to reach more people. Start with a tiny budget. Test what works before spending more. Reinvest your first profits to grow. Better ads, better content, better tools. Analyze what's working and double down. Promote, learn, and improve in cycles. This is how you turn followers into customers and scale up. Growth is a process. Keep iterating. We've covered the steps. Now it's time to act. Don't wait for the perfect idea or moment. Just start, even if it's messy. Your first attempt won't be perfect, and that's normal. Every entrepreneur starts with a rough first version. Use free resources, YouTube, online communities, your phone, to learn and build. The only thing stopping you is not starting. Take one small step today. Brainstorm ideas, watch a tutorial, or claim a social handle. Then take another step tomorrow. Success is built from small, consistent actions. You have the time, energy, and digital skills to make this happen. The opportunity is right in front of you. Your time is now. Go get started.